Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your friends list on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy option. Then click on the Settings option once again. Now scroll down your screen and click on How People Can Find and Contact You option. Here you can see that the second option says Who can see your friends list. So tap on the text Public so that a drop down appears. Here you'll have to select Only Me. Go back. Then go to your profile. Click on the three horizontal dots. Then tap on View As option. And here you can see that your friends list has been disappeared. So that is how you can hide friends list on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.